Hey guys, welcome back. So what are we talking about today? This is a mask from the brand Ren. So it has clean skincare, which is great. Okay, so let's go through what's in the box, okay? So as you can see, the box is nothing special, just a regular box. Now, look inside, it's a little different. So this is not folded very nicely. It comes nicer than this, but because I opened it, it looks like this. But they have a cloth in here, so a washcloth in here. And then they have the product, and this is how it looks. So I have used it a few times already, so that's why it looks like this. It does have a bit of a smell. It doesn't smell strong here, so it smells like pineapple, which is actually not too bad, but when you put it on your face, it smells a lot stronger. So this is the Ren Clean Skincare Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask. So you only use this pretty much once a week. This is to kind of clear dead skin cells off, to clear congestion, to clean out your pores a little bit. So let's read what it says on here. Bio extracts. So there are extracts of passion fruit, grape, pineapple, lemon, omega-3 and 7. So there are a variety of kind of fruit extracts. It's an exfoliating mask, so it renews your complexion dramatically, improves your skin tone, and reduces the appearance of fine lines. So what it's supposed to do after using, it's supposed to remove the dead skin cells. So really do a really, deep exfoliation. So after you use it, it should look brighter, it should look, less congested, it should look cleaner. And this is good for all skin types except for those that are a little more sensitive. So this product is cruelty-free. So if you are into cruelty-free skin products, this would be one that you can consider if you're looking for a sort of mask to use. Okay, so how did I use this? So I pumped out 2 generous pumps of this. I use this every week. Or every other week, just not daily for sure. And I just spread it all over my face. So this product is very, very thick, okay? So when you spread it on your face, it feels like you're spreading honey on your face, and it's also that sticky as well. So when you put it on your face, it is, make sure that your hair is not sticking on there or else it'll get really messy. So make sure that your face is clear and you have your hair tied up and everything. And then you apply this all over your face, okay? You leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then you take their washcloth and then you wash it out with water, with warm water. So, I mean, it does do the job. So when I put it on, I mean, after I washed it off, it did look actually pretty nice. So my skin looked a little clearer, so I found it looked brighter, it looked cleaner, it looked less dull. So I would say that the effectiveness of the product is pretty good. The smell of the extracts and everything of the product was not overpowering, but it wasn't that pleasant to me. I mean, I'm not a fan of big smells in skin products, so it wasn't too bothersome for me, but I would prefer that there wasn't any smell at all. So let's give this product a rating, okay? So for those of you who have tuned into my channel, I give 4 hearts for a rating system. So I go through pricing, packaging, fragrance, and effectiveness. So let's give it a rating, okay? So packaging, it just came in this regular box, and I found it kind of nice that they gave this washcloth as well. So it will get full marks for that. Price, I mean, it's a little expensive, and I would say it might not be the product for a lot of people because of the price, so I would deduct 0.5 from it. The fragrance, again, I would not really like the smell in here, so I would deduct another 0.5, so we're talking 2. And the effectiveness, so it is effective. I do like the effectiveness of the product, so I would give it the full mark for that. So in total, this product would get a 3 out of 4, so it's actually not too bad. Would I purchase this again? If I find a cheaper product that does the same thing and is just as effective and does not have a smell, then I will not buy this again. So it's up to you. I mean, those are my thoughts on this product. I hope it helped you if you were thinking about buying this product, and I'll see you in the next review. Thank you. Bye.